Are you tired of hustling for gigs? Let's talk about a game changer. Today, we're diving into Midjourney, the ultimate secret weapon for freelancers. Imagine this, you creating mind-blowing digital artwork or epic content. And guess what? People are willing to pay top dollar for it. First, sign up on Midjourney. It's super easy. Next, showcase your talents. Upload your masterpieces, whether it's art, videos, or even blog posts. The more unique, the better. Now here's the magic part. Engage with the community. Comment, like, and share. Build your network. The more active you are, the more eyeballs on your work. And don't forget to price your work smartly. Competitive, but don't undersell yourself. You're worth it. So, ready to turn your passion into profit? Jump on the Midjourney train today and watch your freelance career soar. Remember, it's not just about the hustle, it's about the journey. Let's make it a profitable one.